Hey friends, it's Sarah from Flourishing Fibers. Today I'm going to show you how to use my No-Write paper bobbins to get your thread organized without ever picking up a pen. Let's get right into it. Find the end of your floss, and by pulling the thread from the end with the barcode, the thread should unravel easily with almost no tangles. Now take that wrapper and slip it into the trim guide. Make sure the color number is tucked inside, closest to the fold. Fold the bottom edge of the trimmer up. That's your cutting guide. Snip off the top and you have a perfectly sized label that fits the bobbin. Now all you have to do is fold your bobbin in half, slide that trimmed wrapper into that center fold, tuck the end of the thread into one of the slits, slide the other wrapper off the skein, and you're ready to wind. If you have a lot of colors to do, I do recommend batching this part. I trim all my labels first. To make sure I don't mix them up, I just feed the end of the thread through its matching wrapper. Doing this ahead of time makes the winding process much faster. You can definitely wind these by hand, but if you have a big haul, a bobbin winder is a lifesaver. The pink one is from Modern Hoopla and the other I made myself. When using a winder on a drill, always use the slowest setting. Don't add any extra tension with your hands, just let the drill do the work. As you wind, move the thread up and down so it doesn't get too bulky in the middle. The best part is that these winders are universal. As long as the clip could grab the edge of your bobbin, you're good to go. If you want to make your own winder, it takes about 20 minutes, but this does require some power tools. So if you aren't comfortable with that, I've linked the Modern Hoopla winder in the description. For the DIY version, you're going to need a binder clip, a machine screw, a washer, and a hex nut. It's important that the head of the screw fits flat inside of the clip so it can still close tightly. I used a 3/16 diameter screw, which is about a number 10 US machine screw. You'll also need a drill bit slightly larger than your screw, and here's a pro tip for you. Clip the binder clip onto a scrap piece of wood before you drill. This keeps the metal flat and prevents it from bending under the pressure. I also recommend using a center punch or a large nail to make a tiny dent where you want to drill. This stops your drill bit from sliding around, and as you could see in my video, I didn't do that step and my clip moved. It's not a big deal. I already have 2 of these winders, so this was just for the demo. And it's actually still very usable. Once your hole is drilled, assembly is super easy. Put the screw through the washer and the clip, then tighten the nut on the back. And you could always add a drop of Loctite to the threads to keep it from wiggling loose over time. And there you have it, a handy tool made in minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps support my studio. Until next time, happy stitching. Bye.